Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. We have a small change on the micro level, but nothing else has changed. In fact, the weak positive reaction we see today in the market basically confirms my assumption that there is a lot of downside pressure here on the XRP chart. As you can see here on TradingView, a lot of coins going up quite nicely. I actually don't know how much you actually see, but yeah, a lot of coins are going up 5 to 10%. Yeah, some a little bit less, especially the weaker ones. XRP today also a little bit weak. That's in line with expectations. I mean, there are of course correlations, but if a chart is at least not clearly in an uptrend, but more likely in a downtrend, then obviously upside reactions when Bitcoin goes up and other coins go up, then the reaction on a chart like that is rather weak. And also we see that here today. I can't really defend this micro count anymore, so I'm going to take that out for now, but everything else is still very much valid and intact. I said to you we need to expect possible change in microwave counts, so we're going to take a look at that now. But besides that, this statement from yesterday is still very much valid. I just need to adjust the support area slightly. Sorry, the resistance area slightly. I thought I had done that. The idea is still that XRP is coming down here in the yellow wave count, that XRP formed a 5-wave move down off the June high to the 16th of June low. And since then it pulled back in a corrective fashion. I count that as a WXY structure. And yeah, we're now coming down in the third wave. That's the assumption, but I'm more and more leaning towards the idea that something else is going on here, because this move down is not clearly impulsive. So there are two options. Yeah, either we really deal here within the third wave, okay, with some kind of a weird leading diagonal as first wave of a third wave. So yeah, I mean, I'm going to leave it open to a degree, because, you know, in a diagonal as well as in corrective structures, we have to expect changes in wave counts anyway. Okay, so, and at the moment it's clearly not really, one second, can't really talk and move waves. It's clearly not really decided yet. I mean, this could be the low of a wave one. Yeah, if we talk about, but that would be extremely messy. It's a possibility. This could be a wave one. Now a wave two pullback. I don't really believe it. I'm actually thinking about maybe I take out this one as well, because something else is getting more and more likely, which would be a deeper pullback in this wave two, in this alternative. So it doesn't change any assumption. And the view is, as long as XRP stays below 54 cents, the focus is on the downside. It really is only above that level that it flips more bullish, but not really bullish, just rather short-term bullish, still potentially bearish and corrective to the upside. I explained that in the last few videos, not going to talk about that in every video, but we want to focus on the imminent wave count here. So the idea is either that wave 2 finished, or we get a higher wave 2, but it's limited by 54 cents. Why a higher wave 2? Why is that likely? Because obviously a so-called flat correction is one common way of correcting, and this is a 3-wave move to the upside. So if this is not the top of the wave 2, which I'm pretty much doubting at the moment, yeah, that it really is the top of the wave 2, because the move down should have been impulsive, and it's not. Okay, could always be a leading diagonal, but it's not really following through, okay? Whereas I think if it really breaks below the Wednesday low at 45 cents, then yeah, then we deal with third wave in the making. Until then, the interpretation is very much likely that this was just an A wave in 3 waves. This top here on the 2nd of June, the move down was a B wave, slightly overshooting to the downside, and we're now moving up in a C wave. Absolutely likely. Yeah, it also broke out of this wedge pattern to the upside. So I think we're dealing with a higher wave 2 here potentially. Again, they are both likely, but as long as the Wednesday low stays intact, I think we're dealing here with the C wave. They're both likely. Okay, so it just depends on, does that support level hold or not. But bigger picture wise, as long as we don't break above 54 cents, I don't count this as anything different than just a wave 2, and it should result in a third wave sell-off later. Yeah, that's pretty much my update about XRP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.